These Air Jordan 1s will double in price. Giveaway for the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, join the More family, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Air Jordan 1 Low. This giveaway ends at the end of October. I'll be picking the giveaway winner very soon, next week. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott's. Good luck. We're going to take a look at an unreleased pair of Air Jordan 1s. I do think it will take time. We got to let the market drop, let it settle, let the release happen, let all the backdooring go on, and down the line, as time goes on, I believe that these Air Jordan 1s not only will go up in price, but potentially could double in price. If you guys do wind up enjoying this video, I do ask just one thing, please, of you. Please smash that subscribe button. That's all I ask. It shows me that, hey, I like this video, I like this content, and I will make more of it. So please, make sure you guys subscribe, join the More family. Subscribing is free, and you can always unsubscribe later. So please, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and join the More family. Now let's get into this fire video. Right now may not be the time to buy this Air Jordan 1 because they haven't released yet. Market will drop a little bit more. Market was at over $1,000. This sneaker has now dropped down to around $500 to $600. I think it will drop a little bit more. There's gonna be a lot of backdooring, a lot of craziness to this release, which I will be making a further video on, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you want to cop more sneakers, more items to resell, you guys need to check out Reseller's Basement. Reseller's Basement is a free group designed and dedicated to help you make more money reselling. I'm gonna leave the link for Reseller's Basement down below in the description. It's completely free to join. Go join over 15,000 other members and get free access to reselling tips, tools, all the things you guys need to increase reselling, increase your chances of copying sneakers, Supreme, any hyped item. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Check out Reseller's Basement. It is free to join. Inside of Reseller's Basement, you're gonna find Frugal. Frugal is a paid group that is designed to take your reselling up to the next level. Inside of Frugal, you're gonna receive over 30 ways to make money, exclusive content, exclusive support, major deals, steals, major loops, deals, all the steals you guys need to make money reselling. It's been over 2 months since Frugal's last restock, so I highly suggest you guys join Reseller's Basement. That group is completely free to join. And then inside of Reseller's Basement, you're gonna find Frugal. As you guys can see, Frugal members truly make a lot of money. Check out all this success. These members have been making money, and I highly suggest you guys join. You guys can join Frugal, this premium reselling group, on October 29th. So make sure you guys click the link down below in the description and go join Reseller's Basement. Hey, it's free, and make sure you guys check out Frugal as well. I've teamed up with Reseller's Basement to bring you guys this free group. So hey, if you're a new reseller or someone that's been reselling for quite a while, check out Reseller's Basement. Join down below. It is completely free. Let's get into these unreleased fire, very anticipated, one of the most hyped and anticipated Air Jordans and sneakers in general of the entire year. The Air Jordan 1. You guys know what's in this box. The Air Jordan 1. Lost and found. Free giveaway for the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows. Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size. This giveaway ends at the end of October. I'll be picking the winner next week. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair, and make sure you guys subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. Join the More family. The Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 is right now going for around $500 to $600. After the release, after everything settles down, I do expect prices to drop. I don't think they'll be that expensive as they are right now. I am expecting them to go for probably around $350, $400, maybe low 400s. They will definitely drop. Right now is not the time to buy. Let them drop, let the release happen, wait a week or two, then go ahead and drop when everyone has pairs. From retailers, all the backdooring, all the crazy nonsense. Let the market drop and then go ahead and cop. I do believe that these will eventually double in price. I definitely think they will. With them being a Chicago colorway, with the Air Jordan 1 Chicago being so hyped, so in demand, especially after the Last Dance documentary. Take a look at 2015 prices. They're at like $1,800, $2,000, which is absolutely crazy. Well, Jordan Brand is giving us the Chicago's back, this time with some new details throughout the sneaker. Now, these are being the most produced Air Jordan 1. Over 500,000 pairs, reports are saying. I do believe there is going to be very high stock of these. It is looking like that, especially with all the craziness going on already. However, with that being said, demand is so high on this Air Jordan 1. It's simply through the roof. They're going to sell out, and they're going to be very tough to get, even for retail on release day, because the demand is so high. I know 500K pairs is a lot, but look at it this way. Take a look at the Cool Gray 11s, Concords, Bred 11s, any Jordan 11 for the past handful of years during the holidays. They make 1 million pairs, but they always sell out and have resell. More family, listen, 500K is simply not enough of the Air Jordan 1 Chicago. I have done a real versus fake video on the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. I'll leave a link up above. Make sure you guys check that out. This right here is my personal pair of lost and found Jordan 1s. You guys can take a look at the details here on the bottom. I'm gonna apply Drip Grip sole protectors to the bottom of these Air Jordan 1s to keep that detail on the sneaker even when I'm wearing them, so dirt, grime, all that doesn't get on it. No slips, no tears, multiple wears with Drip Grip sole protectors, the best sole protector on the market. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description and use my code Danny10 for 10% off your entire order. No matter what happens, in my opinion, this video is just my opinion. I want to make that very clear. No matter what happens, though, in my opinion, I do believe that, let's just say market goes at, say, $400. I do believe they're going to be a very good hold and quickly go up. As time goes on, I'm talking a few years from now, I highly see this sneaker doubling in price from what they're going to be at from release. If these go in the vault, if they just don't touch the Chicago 1 again for a handful of years, prices are going to go up. It is the original Air Jordan 1. And guys, look at the details. Look at the details. The details, the shape, the cut are a little different. Guys, they did a great job when it comes to this sneaker, when it comes to storytelling, when it comes to the packaging, when it just comes to materials. The leather is soft. It's a great Air Jordan 1. And at the end of the day, I do believe that no matter what, the Air Jordan 1 lost and found is gonna sell out and one day will double in price. This is just my opinion. Leave your thoughts down below. Do you agree with me or do you disagree with me? I want to see what the Moore family has to say, so drop a comment. Let me know about the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. Do you think that these are going to double in price one day? November 19th, good luck on the release date. I will have some more content on the lost and found Air Jordan 1s coming up for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for those videos. I absolutely love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Air Jordan 1 lost and found is fire. Straight fire. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.